Okay guys, I want you to start out by going to Adobe Illustrator CS5. Once you get it open, I want you to go to File, New, and bring up a dialog box and choose Letter Format and Landscape with a bleed of 0.25 inches. That's 1/4 of an inch. Hit OK, then bring up this. I want you to start out by, we're going to make a red button logo. First, I'm going to start out by making the button. And the button is going to be in 3D. So first, I'm going to start out by making my button red by clicking on the swatch palette, clicking the red color, and taking off the black stroke. And then I'm going to make one other circle here. I'll clone that 3 more times so I get equal size buttons, button holes anyway. Align those up nice and good. I'm just using the alignment palette in the control panel at the top. And then I'm going to select these, group them, and I'm going to size them down. I'm going to carry them in front of this big circle here and make them just a tad bit bigger. And I'm going to space them out just a little bit. There we go. Okay, and they're in red color so you can't really see them, so I'm just going to change the color so you can see them, align them up with the big circle in the background there, and then I'm going to cut them out using the blob tool, or I'm sorry, the shape builder tool. Hold down the option key and click and we'll cut those out. Then I'm going to go to Windows, Effects, 3D, Extrude and Bevel. Hit Preview. Okay, and then on the bevel here, I'm going to take that down to rounded. I'm going to turn that rounded up. Just a few notches here, so it gets a nice round button feel to it. That's a little too much. I think 12 should be good. And then I'm going to move this up so it's kind of slanted there. And I'll size this down. Let me use my type tool. Now I'm going to change the font and make it larger. You see what I'm going to do with the button there is I'm going to take out the O. First I'm going to take my font and I'm going to select it and create outlines. Take my white arrow tool, delete out the 0, and then I'm going to size down the button and move it into place. That's pretty good. And then I'm going to take the font and I'm going to change the colors to a dark green, and then I'm going to go into my appearance palette, moving that to the top. On the stroke, I'm going to make the first stroke white with about 3 points. Let's go for it. I'm going to clone that same stroke down, but making it a lighter color and making that bigger. Now you'll see what's going on there. And then I'm going to take my stroke tool and put just a couple strokes across here. I'm going to make those red. Make the stroke red with a dashed line effect. And round those out, and then I'm going to send those to the back here in just a second by going to Object Arrange, Send to Back. And there you go, you have your red button logo ready to be used however you feel free. Thank you.